Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be doing print writing or print lettering, and we'll try to improve the handwriting while doing the print writing. So we'll discuss some tips which will help to improve print writing. So let's start the video. In this example, we'll be trying on a grid paper. So this we will try just before writing on a white paper or 2 lines. So to make sure the space or the size for this kind of practices, we will use the grid paper. So in this example of print writing or print lettering, we will try to write in a way that all the letters are separated from each other. So maybe while writing on a white page or white paper, some letters may be connected, but on the grid we will make sure that we write separately and all the letters are separated to each other. In this example, no styling has been used, only the letters have been written. The specific shapes, the specific size of the letters can be controlled or can be practiced very easily using a graph paper or a grid paper. So in this example, the whole example has been written on a grid paper. The size of the letter has to be decided before writing on a grid paper. So in this example, one small block has been used for one small letter and 2 blocks have been used for the spacing between the words. So accordingly you can decide and practice on a grid paper, like you can use 4 blocks for one letter or more. So accordingly you can use based on the grid size. So in this example, 2 lines have been used and small traces of grids can be seen. So just before writing on a white paper or a blank paper, this method of writing or practicing print lettering will improve the handwriting. So let's start. So this method or example will help to improve the consistent size of the small letters, similar to the previous example where one grid or small block has been used for one small letter, and in this example also one small block or grid has been used for one letter, but the difference is the grid is not visible properly. In this example, 0.5 mm nib has been used. So for practice, one can use any nib size, 1 mm, 1.2 mm, less than that. So it depends on the user. So in this type of writing, print writing or print lettering, the vertical strokes are important. The strokes have to be straight and clean. The examples are like the B or the D or P or L. So they have to be straight and vertically straight on the paper. So let's try to write a small paragraph in this style.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. night until the morning, building chemistry.
So in this example, a variation has been tried, like similar to the courier font. So in this example, the pen nib size has been changed to 0.7 mm. So this word Rongali Bihu will be written with a different pen and the nib size is 0.7. So we can see clearly the size has increased compared to the 0.5 mm pen nib. In this example, courier font has been tried. The difference between the previous example and the current example is the styling. The shape and the size of the letters remain same. So in this example, some letters compared to the previous example are different. Example, the small letter of A in the previous example is symmetrical or circular in shape, but in the current example, the shape of small A is a bit different. There can be variations in the styles or the shapes of the letters compared to various styles, but the letter should be same throughout the style. I mean, in a paragraph or in a sentence, any letter which has been written once should be maintained or should remain same throughout the paragraph or the sentence or the full page. So now we'll be discussing on the sizes of the capital letters. The capital letters should be the highest in size. The small letters should not cross the level or the height of a capital letter. It may be same or smaller. Similarly, the dot of I and J letters should be within the limit and should be in the same level of other small letters. Now the space between the words should be maintained and should be almost same throughout the sentence or the paragraph. Now same with punctuation. So if there is a comma or a full stop, the interval or the spacing between the words should be same as well. The complete word should be managed or written before the ending of the line. So we should avoid writing the half word before ending the line and the half part of the word in the next line. In the next example, one word was written which was traditional, and the traditional full word had to be adjusted just before the ending of the line, and as a result the sizes of letters like R, A had to be compromised. So let's see the example now. So this should be avoided and should be taken care just before the ending of a line. In this part, the differences between the two styles have been shown. The styling between the letters and the specific letters without styling and with styling have been shown. So some examples are shown here. If you like the video, please like and share, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.